Welcome back to the garage. Or if you're new to the channel and this is the first video of mine that you've seen, welcome to the garage. My name is Zane. In today's video, it's finally time to move forward with a video series that I've been kicking around for the better part of a year. If you have your own YouTube channel, I think you'll really like this series. It's going to be called Subscribers in the Spotlight. Now in this video series, we'll be talking about subscribers of mine, channels that I'm subscribed to, or channels that me and said creator are subscribers of one another. In this series, a video can be devoted to one single channel or multiple channels that share the same interest. Even better yet, we could be talking about a creator that has 1 million subscribers or only one. Meaning there is no subscriber minimum to be featured in one of these videos. That's why I'm hoping to not only make videos that are enjoyable for you all to watch, but I also want to try to help out as many great content creators that I can myself. You see, it's really difficult, in my opinion, to make it in the automotive side of YouTube. It really seems like, at least in my opinion, that the YouTube algorithm favors deceptive thumbnail or clickbait YouTubers out there. Just kind of consider this series my way of throwing a wrench into that fan. Wrench in fan test 2147. Interesting. That's right. Nothing like trashing the very same platform that you post videos to. Wait a minute. What's going on here?
I sensed you were talking bad about my algorithm. I'm afraid I can't let you do that, Zane.
Hold on a minute. It was just a joke. I promise it won't happen again. I'm sorry.
I'm terribly sorry, but it's far too late for that. Full channel demonetization in progress.
What have I done? Algorithm, will you please forgive me? Hopefully you enjoy, maybe even get a good laugh out of some of these movie references that I sprinkle throughout the videos that I make. Full disclosure, YouTube is a fair platform that treats every creator equally. I'm just poking a bit of fun. You see, the thing of it is, as long as you follow by the simple rules and guidelines, make the videos that you want to make, your audience will eventually find you. I mean, it's almost scientifically proven. No, I mean, you get it because I'm dressed like a scientist. I mean, it's still funny, right? Speaking about these videos, I wanted to tell you right off the bat that I really only plan on recommending family-friendly, or at least as close to family-friendly content as I quite possibly can. I don't want anybody out there watching this video to feel less of me, but in person, I mean, I cuss like an absolute sailor sometimes. I leave that out of the videos for one because it doesn't help me any. I mean, the only thing it might do is make me relatable to some of you out there that work on this stuff, get into a fit in the garage and say some choice words. But the biggest reason I leave it out of my videos is because I want you to be able to sit down on your couch, relax, and watch these videos with any member of your family. I think that is truly important to the content that I create. A few cuss words here and there doesn't bother me at all. But I will be sure to come up with some kind of a content rating. That way you'll know beforehand on what you're getting yourself into. However, I am not interested in any shape or form in talking about content that promotes garbage like vulgar language. You see, in my opinion, there's already an abundance of that on this platform, and we need less of that and more of this. A good majority of the larger YouTube channels out there with a lot of subscribers, well, to put it plain and simple, they just won't do something like this. I mean, don't get me wrong, I completely understand there's nothing saying that they have to. I just believe this platform would be a better place if they did. I think this platform was created to not only make enjoyable videos for people like you all to watch, but to also run across and share content with other like-minded individuals. You see, in my opinion, it's not only what I'm working on, I also want to see what you're working on as well. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. It's a pretty stupid idea for me to talk about other content that's out on YouTube. I might mention a channel that's a lot better than mine, and viewers might leave my channel for theirs. That's a good possibility, and quite frankly, it might even happen. But the way I see it is, if you found my videos and you enjoy them, and I can at least lead you to somebody else that better suits your needs of content, I can sleep at night knowing that I at least helped you along the way. If you check out one of these recommended channels and you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to them. But if you would, do me the favor and drop down in their comment section and tell them Zane from HPDG sent you. However, for any reason, if you check out one of these recommended channels and you don't like what you see, please don't leave them any kind of rude comments. Remember, they're not looking for this negative attention. I'm only trying to help them out the best way that I can. And the second thing to kind of remember in this scenario is, well,
that's just like your opinion, man.
Consider this series some kind of a prototype, because you can see from my subscriber count, I don't even have 1 million subscribers myself. But what I do have is a broader reach where I can try to help others out along the way. You see, I was very fortunate from an early start here on YouTube in creating a channel that I had other great content creators say kind things about my channel, get me subscribers, and help me out a lot more than you would ever imagine, and that means a lot when you're just starting out. I will always be grateful for that, and each and every one of those channels will be talked about in this very series soon enough. So in other words, in the long run, I really hope that this video series inspires other channels to do the same thing. From what I understand, at this moment in time, I am the only automotive YouTuber that's trying out this kind of a concept. Now don't get me wrong, there's quite a few names on this list already, some of which the people know, others it will be a good surprise, but I do go through and add names to the list periodically. I'm one of the only YouTubers, I think, that check to see who their subscribers are and if they have channels of their own. So with names being added to the list, you'll never know when somebody might just pop up on this series. Now don't laugh at this whole process, especially if you're a content creator yourself, because you never know, one day your channel name might be the very one on this board that we're talking about.